Hey everyone, welcome to Nuer Tube. Today I want to share with you this message. I just want to remind you that learning something does not just come without practice. You have to practice to learn something. So I want to tell you that don't be ashamed to use broken English. Remember, no one is perfect and it is not our mother tongue. The key is to practice, read and write daily, just as I do. If you let fear of being judged by others stop you from using English, you'll never learn. Overcome that fear and you will grow step by step. Don't let anyone convince you that learning is too hard. There's nothing too difficult to learn if you are determined, right? Just try every small effort so that it will bring you closer to success. You want to learn something? You have to keep on practicing. The key to learn something is practice. That's it. So practice every day. Read, write, and do what you can. Also communicate with others. And if there's no one that you can communicate with, just do some recording and listen to your voice. All right. So try to learn by practicing English words, reading histories, novels, and so on. I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that is how you can help me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.